This is our W02 smart lock. Let me show you how to open the door. First, we can use fingerprint. The door is open. Use the password to open the door. We can use the 3D face to open the door. Door is open. Use the card to open the door. Use the key to open the door. We can use Tuya app to open the door. The back side with this screen, we can see outside clearly. And also with the one click to open and the one click to lock the door. Also, we can use this handle to open and close the door.